Okay.
Trick or treat, give me something to eat.
Okay, let's
Ring the doorbell.
push this button right here. Push the button. Is that when they answer the door? What you say? You say your thing.
Mommy, did you see that dog?
Okay, you ready? Say trick or treat, trick or treat.
Second. No! Hold the feet. Hi, guys.
Say, what do you say, Eddie?
Hey,
What do you say?
there's a special treat there. The last one,
Oh
that's like some kind of
Oh
animal.
my
You get to
goodness.
take all the candy you want.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
No, lots. Take more.
Put them in your bucket.
Take more. Take it while you can get it.
Did the caravan come here
No,
yet?
no, you gotta take
Yes.
more.
They did?
Take
How many
more.
were there?
Well, we were
Whoa.
just saying, he said, you think there were 30? I said, no, but I bet
Got
there were
enough?
15.
They're
Here,
just
take
going
another
to our street now, and we're going to miss them unless we...
Wait. Don't you eat that.
Thank you for...
It was bucket
This is good for you.
cars.
Okay.
It's all unloaded.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you for doing all the decorating. He loves looking at it every time we drive by.
My pleasure.
Eddie, say